Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, Ralph's Automotive. Real quick video. I know I've probably not posted anything here lately, but I'm kind of a little bit in a time crunch. I'm not going to make a big deal out of it. I have one of the videos that I have on my channel is about the standard injection. Actually, what I'm showing on it is a 2008 GMC Acadia, and this one here is a 2009 GMC Acadia. So the difference between the two is that this engine here actually has got the DI, direct injection. This engine, like I said, is direct injected, and we've had timing chain issues where some other shop, they didn't do the timing right, needless to say, blah blah blah, it doesn't matter, but originally it had misfires as well, and it led me to believe, or it led me to look inside the chambers, the intake chambers, and sure enough, I will post up some pictures that I took. I'll post up those pictures and you'll see that the intake valves, I wouldn't say they were just absolutely terrible, but they were pretty bad. So what I done to do this, so basically, let me flip the screen so I see that you see what I see. Sounds good. So I got this CRC intake valve and turbo cleaner. I got some of that. Actually, I started out by my absolute favorite. I'm out now, so I'll have to get more of that, but I got other videos on my channel that I talk about the GM top engine cleaner. It's actually hands down better than the CRC, but anyway, at the time, this is all I was able to get at the local store. So I use this right here, and of course I rolled the engine till the intake valves was closed, you know, or I found the ones that were closed, and sprayed this stuff in here, and then I went in there. Let me see what I've done with it. What I ended up doing is I took myself zip ties, bundled them up, started taping them, stuck a power driver in here. This one happens to be a standard screwdriver adapter, or screwdriver bit adapter. I stuck it in there, and then I taped it some more. Then I went ahead and put it on my screw gun here. Like I said, this is a regular old driver. And I went in there, and I just kept on working it with this. So after I had all of them done, yesterday I actually finished the evening up with actually blasting the intakes and clean them up, or finish cleaning them with walnut shell. We want to use a fine walnut shell. I get that at Harbor Freight. Let me get you around here. So I'll show you what I've got here. So the media, this one here is a 24 grit fine. So there is my blasting rig that I use. This I've also got at Harbor Freight. Lift the end of it up, and they give you, let me flip this around, they give you ceramic tips that go in here. Let me show you what comes with it. So these are the tips that normally come with it. So what I did is I went ahead and also purchased one of the air wands they got over there, the aluminum air wands. I don't know, about 2 foot long, something like that. So I flared, try to get this out of here. So I went ahead and flared the end of that, or I cut a piece off of it, off the wand. I cut a piece of this off. Didn't have anything else laying around in the shop, so I went ahead and spent the $4 for the air wand. Flared the end, wrapped some tape around it to make it fit this collar right here, because that's normally made for these tapered bits like this. So I went ahead and made this so I could pull this in here tight, and that sticks in there. So then you have a nice extension to reach down in the chambers. On these Acadias, the chambers are actually pretty deep, so you have to have something to reach down in there and get to it. So that's the tool that I use to do that. Now you know what I've done there, and that worked, I thought, pretty good. Put this there back on here so we don't lose it. But anyway, worked out pretty good. So that's about the extent of the video. Good Lord, I had to re-edit the video. I forgot to post the after pictures. But anyway, guys, here is just a couple of the chambers that we blasted, that I cleaned. Got a little bit of walnut shell still left in it. We haven't gotten around to cleaning it out yet, but anyway, we have to still suck all that out of there, blow it out, suck it out, you know, with a vacuum cleaner. And anyway, I figured I add in a couple of shots of this. So there you go. This is what that will look like afterwards. You can actually see the valves are actually completely clean. If you're just doing it with the cleaner, it won't be like that. So keep that in mind when you're doing it. Like I said, I was gonna just share that with everybody. So that would be the difference between the standard fuel injection and the direct injection. So a lot of the vehicles have that problem. Top intake cleaner, you know, the top intake cleaners that you get in the parts stores, you know, they work. And I'm sure that a little bit of maintenance will prevent a lot of that from happening. But the fact that it is a direct injected vehicle, you know, it is what it is. You know, that's going to happen. You're not going to be able to prevent that from happening. You know, there's going to be people out there saying, I've had comments before when I said something like that. Well, you put a catch can in it. A catch can is not part of a vehicle, guys. In a shop, we don't add this crap from aftermarket on these vehicles. You know, I'm not selling that. I might tell the customer, hey, look, we can put a catch can in it that'll help you. You know, it's all possible. But you know, I'm not going to sell that crap. You know, I'm put that shit in there, and then something happens. No, that's not what you do in a shop. I know that's a viable option, and that definitely they work. I mean, the good ones work. There's no ifs, ands, buts about that. And I'm not saying don't put it in, but it's something that we don't mess with. You know, we clean it up. We'll go from there. You know, I let the customer know there is options, but that's the extent of it. But anyway, guys, appreciate everybody subscribing, Appreciate likes, well, dislikes, I guess. Whatever, you know. Comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Ring that bell. And we'll see you on the next one.